The Aussie dollar for the week of October 19. As you recall, our buying point was above 9020. That was our buying point on the daily chart, and we did push to the upside. We're still on the long. There is nothing that has appeared over here that would indicate that we're having a turnaround or a reason to initiate a short. But on the weekly chart, I'm going to pick a short entry just to be on the again, this is how we plan our trades. We always have a long point and a short point, and because we are seeing some buying coming into the dollar, just to be as a price point where we take our profits. So we are going to sell our longs on a trade below 90.90. So if the Aussie dollar comes and trades below 90.90, that will be our selling point. And we are still maintaining our long to the upside. We're looking for a test of the 93.98 structural point. Looking at the daily, we had planned our trades from last week that we will go short below 90.12. We did test a little bit and we came back again, so that's our buying point as long as it comes back and trades above the 90.12, and we took it all the way to the upside. So with that, we still don't have any reason to go short. We're maintaining our long bias, and we will only go short if we have a trade below 9080. We do have about 80 pips from our selling point, but this weekly day or that Friday trade, even though it is a big range day and to the downside, it is still not considered a bearish setup. It is still a neutral kind of a setup based on the way it has closed the week. So we're going now to go to the intraday and identify our entry and exit points for those who wants to initiate new trading positions. As you see, the trend is still to the upside. We did come over here and we closed within the range. So if in the Tokyo session it opens anywhere and it stays above the 91.25, we are not going to take the short. We are only going to short the dollar, the Aussie yen, dollar, either below the 91.25, and better still, I would short it below the 90.32. This is a major uptrend, and I will just scroll a little bit to the left so you can see how big this move is. There you got your big momentum move. It went into a big sideways equilibrium zone and then resolved itself to the upside, which again resolved itself continuously to the upside. So this is a very strong trend, and we should be careful before we take any short. So right here below the 91.25, we can get out of our long position, but we will not. The structural point in this case is the 90.32. So we are going to filter the sell signals out of the Tokyo session, and we're only going to take the buy. So if I have a buy out of Tokyo, I'm going to go long, and I'm not going to go short the Aussie unless it trades below the 90.32. So the 90.32 is my selling point, and our buying point is going to be on a trade above the 92.65. These are our buying point as far as the Aussie dollar is concerned.